Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at question tags, aren't we? Question tags turn a statement into a question in order to confirm something that you believe to be true. That's right, isn't it? Let's have a look at some question tags in use. This is the right screen, isn't it? I think so. He did say screen 1, didn't he? I can't remember. I do have to say the staff here are extremely helpful, aren't they? I know, I'll ask this lady, excuse me, you can help us, can't you? Hello? Shh. Well, that was rude. She's not very polite, is she? If we just stay here, then the title should come up on the screen and then we'll know. Good point. Do you know, this place seems so familiar to me. We have been here before, haven't we? Familiar? It's pitch black. Well, you know, there's a familiar feel to it. It has an aroma, hasn't it? Can you be quiet? There's no need for that tone of voice. We're trying to have a conversation. I am trying to watch a film, but I can't, can I? Because that foghorn keeps blasting away. I'm not a foghorn, am I? Pay no attention to her. Listen, why don't I treat you to dinner? And then I can bring you back to a later showing, can't I? I'll do that, I promise. Oh, you're so good to me, aren't you? You will bring me back, won't you? I am a man of my word, aren't I? Question tags are typically used in informal situations. But how do they work? Let's start simple. Here are some statements using the verb to be. The view is stunning. Oh, he's content here. She is a scientist. They are a couple. We were making dinner. Now, to make these statements into question tags, we simply tag, which means to add, a couple of words onto the end of the statement. Those couple of words are the verb and the pronoun, matching the subject of the sentence. You add these words onto the end. The view is stunning, isn't it? Oh, he's content here, isn't he? Oh, you're so happy. She is a scientist, isn't she? They are a couple, aren't they? We were making dinner, weren't we? I am right, aren't I? Something to bear in mind. If you're using I am, then the question tag will be aren't I, not am't I, am't I. No. I am, aren't I? I am right, aren't I? I am Anna, aren't I? I am a woman, aren't I? I am wearing red, aren't I? When forming question tags, remember balance. Every positive needs a negative. If you have a positive statement, you need a negative question tag. And if you have a negative statement, you need a positive question tag. Basically, every time you use a question tag, the word not or never should appear once in the sentence. He is kind, isn't he? They didn't call, did they? It's never sunny here, is it? It's always a mess, isn't it? Now it's your turn. If you write the word practice followed by a number of statements with question tags down in the comment section below, I will give you a love heart if you are correct, and I'll correct you if you are not. So give it a go. And with all lessons in this course, there are supporting materials available to download from my website. The link will be down in the description box below. And until the next class, go and put the kettle on and let's have a brew.